Welcome to this session on the perfect recipe to craft irresistible virtual training using just 6 ingredients. Just like a good chef adjusts a dish according to guests' tastes, you need to tailor your content and delivery to the participants' needs, preferences, and learning styles. Think of it as preparing a meal that captivates the senses. Make the content relevant through case studies, scenarios, and real-life examples, and use multimedia elements to keep participants engaged from start to finish. Just as cooking with friends can enhance the dining experience, interactivities foster engagement. Use polls, breakout rooms, quizzes, and group projects to foster collaboration. Add the right technology platform to your toolkit for a seamless virtual training experience. Look for platforms that offer chat rooms, whiteboards, and screen sharing capabilities. Don't forget to provide technical support and troubleshooting resources. Effective facilitation techniques are the secret sauce that ties everything together. Be a master chef, guide discussions, and manage time effectively. Foster a positive learning environment by encouraging open dialogue and providing timely feedback. Finally, taste the dish and adjust seasoning. Gather feedback from participants to refine and improve your training sessions. Use surveys, polls, and one-on-one discussions to gather insights and measure the impact of your training efforts. And there you have it, the perfect recipe for irresistible virtual training that'll leave your participants asking for more. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe icon right now so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another insightful video.